Okay, it's Sunday, the 8th of September, around 5:30 when I'm putting this together. Again, I will list on the top of the page where you can go to the GoFundMe to help me with my late wife's funeral arrangements and things that I've done and try to catch up on what I still owe some people, plus get a stone. I'm around $500. First goal was to get to 880. That would have covered the stone and the placement of the stone at the cemetery plot. So that's kind of my first goal. Everything else after that is money that I kind of have to pay to cover some of her leftover expenses and stuff and what I put into it too. Okay, anyway, let's get back to the weather. We're in a period now where we're going to be dry for about a week or so. Um, then there might be something on the horizon around the middle of next week. Um, the thing right now is that if we do get any rain, it's very light, it's scattered, it's not going to be much at all. I don't see any thunderstorm fronts coming through the state right now. But again, like I said, basically a dry period. Temperatures will get warmer with each day. We start off tomorrow morning right here. Temperatures 40s and 50s across the state. Pennsylvania, New Jersey, even Delaware in the 50s. As we get into the daytime temperatures tomorrow, you can see they get into the 70s for the most part in our tri-state area here. Some of the higher elevations in northern areas stay in the upper 60s, or even some low 60s. And the reason for this up here towards Bradford is because there is cloud cover up in here. You can see it right through here. And that cloud cover has a couple sprinkles involved. So temperatures are hard to raise up. There's not enough no sunlight to help it. So the temperatures up here and even lower New York stay around 61, 62 degrees as we move into Tuesday. Here's Tuesday afternoon. Let's get it there. These things are a little slow to take movement here. As you can see, temperatures on Tuesday, they're starting to warm up a little bit. Upper 70s out by Pittsburgh, upper 70s Jersey, Delaware, and southeastern Pennsylvania. Elsewhere across Pennsylvania, temperatures around 70 degrees. On Wednesday, they creep up a little higher, 80s, low 80s out here by Pittsburgh, central PA, southeastern PA, parts of Jersey and Delaware. You do get into the lower 80s along the shoreline, your mid 70s, because of the ocean breeze here, which takes effect, which kind of keeps your temperatures down. The rest of the state of Pennsylvania and northern New Jersey, basically 70s. On Thursday, they creep up a degree or two across the state. Lower 80s out here in western PA, lower 80s in southeastern PA. Again, along the coastline, temperatures stay in the mid to upper 70s, and the rest of the state of Pennsylvania is in the upper 70s. This is on Thursday. And then on Friday, a little cooler, some clouds start to move in a little bit, but temperatures again 80s out in western PA, low 80s, and lower to mid 80s out here, the I-95 corridor, and along the coast, maybe a degree or two higher, maybe upper 70s to around 80 degrees along the coastal regions of Delaware and New Jersey on Friday. Now, if you're headed to New Jersey over the weekend, here's your Saturdays. You can see this is very warm for this time of year. We always get this after school starts. There's that one heat wave when here comes your little warm temperatures. Temperatures in the upper 80s in southeastern PA, upper 80s in Jersey for the most part. But along the coastline here, temperatures will crawl into the lower 80s, even in Delaware here. So this might be one of your last decent weekends to get out there to the shore and enjoy. The rest of the state temperatures are upper 70s to the lower 80s. And it's literally a repeat for Sunday. This is the 15th. Temperatures again up upper 80s here down in southeastern PA and Jersey along the shoreline here. Again, temperatures 80 to the lower 80s out by Pittsburgh, mid 80s, and elsewhere what was in the 70s have now gone up a degree or two. They're close to 80 degrees or so on Sunday, the 15th. Now this is around the 17th, and there's a frontal boundary out here in Ohio, but I want you to keep an eye out here. The reason it makes me suspicious is this is about 8 o'clock the night of the 16th, and then watch where the precipitation is going. It's coming from east to west. Now this takes you to around 7 o'clock in the morning on the 17th, and you can see it kind of picks up and kind of slides into central PA. Just makes me just wonder if there's a low pressure system going to be off the coast that's going to back into Pennsylvania. And you can see everything's going east to west here. And if you can look further south here, let's see if I can make this work. You can see there's a blob of down here of precipitation. Let's see if we can bring this up in inches. Let's see. You can see 3 inches of rain down here, but if we just back this up a little bit, you can see it comes in, it's coming in from the east, and then it's coming up the coast, and then it goes inland. So it makes me wonder if there's some kind of a semi-tropical or just a low pressure system, but something's going to come on land here, North Carolina, and then come up. Some of the models show it a little further north, so we got to keep our eyes out for the Wednesday, Thursday time period of next week. All right, this is Fred. Take it easy. Don't forget to check out the GoFundMe page, and if you can, and if you have it, and you can help out, I would appreciate it. If you don't, I like the thought. All right, take it easy.